Hey, it's Mark Milutin here, and today I'm going to tell you a case study about how I was able to drive over $70,000 in revenue for one of my clients through one SMS, one text message. That one text message did over 70 grand in sales in less than 15 minutes. This was in 2019, and we just launched SMS for one of our clients. This is a client we've been working with for years. The name of the client is Plane Tags. They make these luggage tags out of old aircraft. We didn't have an SMS list. This was brand new. This client was just finally getting onboarded. We had sold them on SMS as a new channel, and they were really excited to dive into it. So we launched SMS about a month before we actually sent this campaign. And like I said, no one on this. We were doing this because we knew we had a big launch coming up. We were launching the SR-71 plane tag. If you know anything about aviation, the SR-71 is a stealth military aircraft that's used for military surveillance, reconnaissance, and so forth. And this plane is an historic plane. A lot of people know about it. Aviation fanatics love this. We knew that this tag was going to be a massive hit to the Plane Tags aviation community. We started promoting the Plane Tags SMS list as a VIP, get access before anyone else community. What we were able to do is take the existing email list and send email campaigns to that list. We're launching the SR-71 on this specific date. We had a date that we were going to launch this new product. And we told everyone, if you want early access to this tag, you're going to have to sign up for text. You're going to have to get on the text. We started doing that with email. We started promoting it a little on social, just warming up the audience, putting link in bio there. We also started running ads. Just reach campaign directly to a call to action offer to text this short code to this number and get on the list. We had a couple of different things that we were doing here, and essentially we grew that list to around 2,600 people in a few weeks. We took that list and primed it up. They were ready. They knew when we were launching this new product. And when the product went live, we went to SMS first. Okay. We didn't allow it to go to anyone else. And within the first 15 minutes, we literally did over 70 grand in revenue. It was a massive hit. It was a massive success. And throughout the rest of the day, we ended up doing a couple 100,000. It was a huge success. But just in that first 15 minutes, we did 70 grand. We actually ran out of a couple of the SKUs right there. If you're not already running SMS, it's something that you've heard about, or if it's something that you haven't really tried, I highly suggest you get it into your e-commerce ecosystem and part of your marketing mix. It's going to help you a lot, okay? Email is great, but email inboxes are filled with a lot of junk, a lot of marketing collateral, and people just don't really react to email like they used to. The thing about an SMS, about a text message, if someone gets that message on their phone, they're going to clear that out. They're going to read it. We also have 100% deliverability. We're working with carriers. We're not working with ESPs and issues with messages getting sent into different inboxes. What I want to take away from this is, you're currently using SMS, if you're not using SMS, I highly suggest you get a front-end offer on your site, right? That front-end offer is going to be embedded in your pop-up. This client specifically has been using Attentive since the beginning. We use Attentive, we use Via, we use Postscript, we use Klaviyo. We've used all the SMS platforms out there. I have to tell you that overall, Attentive is my favorite. And one of the reasons for that is because of the responsiveness and performance of the front-end pop-up. Yes, it is an expensive platform. You might be able to get a better deal somewhere else, but I got to tell you, I cannot replicate the same performance in getting users to opt into email and SMS combined as I can with the Attentive pop-up. It's just really good. If you're doing a lot of revenue and you've got a lot of website visitors, a really good pop-up is going to cost you a lot of money in the first place, right? Get a good front-end offer there. Don't cannibalize your email marketing either. Always ask for the email first and then go into the SMS second. This is going to ensure that you're not forgetting about one channel over the other, right? We're never just going to forget about email. Email still is the #1 performing revenue channel for all of e-commerce. We're going to start building SMS. So ask for email first, then SMS second. When you have that front end offer right there, you're also going to want to add this into the footer of all of your email campaigns. Sign up for text and get VIP access. That's a good front end offer that we like to use. We want to turn SMS into a first-party channel that almost feels like your best friend from the brand is messaging you with something really fun to talk about. Third, we're going to want to add an offer in on organic social, right? So either a text to join, which is going to have a short code to join here, or some type of offer like that. You're going to want to embed that there, or a lander in a shared story on your organic social works really well. Those channels right there, you're also going to want to embed an opt-in at checkout, where someone's going to opt in to SMS, and then essentially if they opt into it as an existing customer, they're going to get put into our text list. The thing with SMS is compliance is super strict. You can get away with a lot of shit for you. SMS, you need to be on top of it. You need to make sure you're following all the local, state, federal, in-country laws for anyone that you're sending to. That's why it's super important to use one of these credible platforms on the market. Like I said, all the platforms I just talked about are great. I do have my favorites though. Attentive being number one, PostScript being number two. If that's interesting to you, you want to learn a little bit more about SMS and how you can build this as part of your overall marketing strategy for your e-commerce business, you can reach out to me through the link in my bio here, or send me a message, and I want to give you a free audit where we'll dive through your business. We'll go through your existing SMS if you're running it, or if you're not running it, we'll tell you the opportunity on how much money you think you can be making through SMS if you implement it with us. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and leave a comment below. And please, if you like these videos, we don't have that many subscribers. We make these videos because we want to help people. We would love for you to just click subscribe, give us a little love, tell us everything else that you want to learn about too, and I'll see you on the other side.